could you please confirm the differences of opinions in regards to giving sadaqah on behalf of the deceased, such as building a well for someone, and which view is the correct opinion?
On somebody who's dead?
Yes, Sheikh, somebody who's dead.
When somebody is dead, Prophet ﷺ, he said, when the person dies, nothing will benefit him except for three. Number one, sadaqatun jariyah, running charity. He left something behind, a will, school, a book. Sadaqah jariyah. He paid it for a masjid. علم ينتفع به. He wrote an article, knowledge that he spread, class that he given, a beneficial knowledge, it will benefit. And ولد يدعو له, and a son or a daughter making dua for him or her, the mother. Those are the three that were beneficial to the person. As for us who are not relatives, so not children of the deceased, even the relatives, but they're not children of the deceased, the only thing that we could do to him is to make dua. الذين جاءوا من بعدهم يقولون ربنا اغفر لنا ولإخواننا الذين سبقونا بالإيمان ولا تجعل في قلوبنا غلا. So Allah said, ربنا اغفر لنا ولإخواننا الذين سبقونا. Oh Lord, forgive for us and for our brothers who have preceded us with iman. ولا تجعل في قلوبنا غلا للذين آمنوا. طيب. So this verse tells us that we make dua. As for making sadaqat, digging wills and on behalf of such and such, this is, as Imam al-Shafi'i said, and Imam al-Nawawi as well in his Sharh Sahih Muslim, where he said bluntly that the person, he will not gain the benefit of what people they do to him, except if it is the son or the daughter, because the son or the daughter, they are from the outcome, the production of the father and the mother. When Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, وَأَنْ لَيْسَ لِلْإِنسَانِ إِلَّا مَسَى وَأَنَّ سَعْيَهُ سَوْفَ يُرَى. Verily, the human being will get only what they have strived for, what they worked for, what they have done. And what they have done, they will see it. In this ayah, Imam Shafi'i says, nothing will benefit you except what you've done. And because your children, as the Prophet said, وَإِنَّ عمل ولده من كسبه. Prophet said, إن أطيب ما أكل العبد من كسبه. The best earning, the best food, that you could take as an earning is from your own sweat. The best food that you could take is from your own sweat, and your child is from your sweat, from your earning. وإن ولده من كسبه. It's like you've produced your child. So your child, whatever he does, in terms of giving charity, even on behalf of himself, on behalf of the child himself, there will be a duplicate reward transferred to the father or the mother, even without the son saying that this is on behalf of my father or my mother, because he is the production of his father. His father made him after the creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So to dig a well and make it for such and such sheikh or such and such scholar or such and such hasn't been done at the time of the companions, so it's better to be left. It should not be done, but there's a difference among the scholars regarding this issue, I should say. There's a difference among the scholars. Now, the best thing is just like Sheikh al-Mu'thamin says, make dua, dua. And even the son makes a dua to him, to his father. Dua.